Il-ħadd filgħaxija, il-pjazza tal-ostaġġi f'Tel Aviv mill-ġdid kienet mimlija saru ħomma bl-Iżraeljani li nġabbru biex jistennew il-ħelsien tal-aħħar ostaġġi mill-Ħamas.
I feel immense joy. It's really hard to sleep from excitement. That's why I came here. And we just cannot wait to get them back home. When they're hurting, we're hurting. And when they're happy, we're happy. And we cannot wait to breathe completely again.
Tomorrow, we're going to wake up and it's going to be this new feeling. I even feel it while I'm telling it to you. It's like I'm getting this stuff out of my body and we're going to take in a new chapter.
I can't even explain it in words. It's like a lucid dream. Like I feel euphoria. I'm happy and we're tired and I honestly can't believe that it even happened. It seems like one big nightmare that lasted for 2 years.
You can see that everyone is happy that the hostages are coming back, but I feel that it came a little bit late at time because 2 years is many time to be a hostage.
ċaru koll l-apprezzament tal-President Amerikan Donald Trump fost l-Iżraeljani.
To be honest, 2 years in, you thought it wasn't going to end just like that. And it makes you think, could it have ended earlier? Could Hamas have given back the hostages earlier and said, let's just make this deal? So I think Trump really helped make it done. But
America involved came from Trump. Trump made America to help Israel and to help the hostages. You can see Biden was 2 years, 1.5 years, and almost didn't do nothing. Trump at half a year, at nearly a year, did that all the hostages would come back, and I'm very grateful for that.
I feel personally that it could have been done before. I feel that we could have had this done before.
Minkejja li hawn ottimizmu kbir li wara sentejn ta' gwerra fl-aħħar l-ostaġġi ġejjin lura mal-ħbieb u l-qraba tagħhom, in-nies li tkellimt magħhom jiena deru xi ftit ukoll inkwetati dwar jekk dan il-ftehim tal-paċi u se jżomm fit-tul fl-aħħar mill-aħħar.
Complicated, sadly. I think a lot of people had an illusion that this could happen before October 7th. I think the events 2 years ago kind of disillusioned that. I think for myself, I am still hopeful for everyone, but I think there are a lot of power at play for this to happen, at least in my generation, sadly.
a lasting peace is kind of hard to say when that's never happened, really. Ceasefire, there's been multiple peace deals offered. So we're hopeful.
I wish it would be peace. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I just wish. I don't wish for bad things to happen. I don't feel like I want bad things to happen. I don't want anyone to die. It's not the way that we Israelis think. It's not the way that we feel. We are peaceful people.
Well, unfortunately, if it depends on our government, I don't have much trust in them. But in President Trump, I do. He did bring us up to here, and hopefully he will make sure that everything will go just as planned.
Għal dawk l-Iżraeljani li f'sentejn ta' gwerra kellhom il-lussu jsifru, il-kundanna internazzjonali għall-azzjonijiet tal-militar Iżraeljan f'Gaza waslithom biex saħansitra jaħbu minn fejn huma meta ssir il-mistoqsija. Bosta minnhom qaluli li Malta huwa l-pajjiż li jgħidu li ġejjin minnu.
These days, not so popular to say you're from Israel, so just a lot of people say they're from Malta. Just say a country's name and hope that no one will, connect us unfortunately, to Israel.
Liam Carter għal TVM News minn Tel Aviv, l-Iżrael.